Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel. And let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video. Today is Press on Thursdays. If you are new here, Press on Thursdays is where I show you how to do press on nails on a budget or just different designs or professional press on nails or like a dupe for like 1 2 3 go nails, things like that. So that's what today is, and I do it every Thursday. Well, I try to do it every Thursday. If not, then it will definitely be on next Thursday. But this Thursday I am putting it up. So these nails costed me about $2, and the reason why I say that is because I already had baking soda. I already had nail glue from the last time I purchased. I already have nail polishes. You can use any nail polishes you want. I already had makeup sponges. I already had my cleaning brush. But if you need all of that, and the top coat, if you need all of that, you literally need about $8 to do this whole set right here. The good thing about these is that you can take them off and reuse them. So you literally are reusing $8 worth of things. Well, I'm using $2 because I already had my supplies. If you have baking soda at the house, you could definitely use that. You can use cornstarch, you can use flour. You don't need baking soda, just what I like to use. But yeah, so right here I'm just gluing double tips because I was gonna do 3 tips, but then I was like, girl, you're over exaggerating. Not everybody likes to wear their nails that long. So I did have to buy 2 packs of these nails, which would do for both of my hands if I wanted to double them. If you just want to do one single layer, you can, but I wanted a little bit of length because your girl is clickety clack popping. You feel me? Like, I have to be popping, you guys. But so right here I'm just gluing on the double tips, and I'm going to be cutting them. These scissors are also from the dollar store. This nail glue is from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, so nail tips are, everything in here is from the Dollar Tree. No clickbait. Okay. So the nail polishes are also from the Dollar Tree, and I have them right in front of me, so I'm going to tell you what the names are. I'm not going to put them in the description box. So the pink color is called Flashy by LA Colors Gel, and I got that one from the Dollar Tree. The other LA Colors Color Last is called Eternal, and then the glitter that I used is also from LA Colors, the Color Crazy, and that one is called Cocktail. So I just wanted to add those names into the video before because I know a lot of you guys say, hey, what's the names, and I don't comment them. I mean, I don't put them in the description box, and it's just because, y'all, I don't be remembering the names. And then the top coat I'm just using, it is 00 by Kiss. It's the DTGNP by 00 by Kiss, and it's the gel shine, which bomb top coat, my favorite top coat, especially when it comes to nail polishes. Bomb. And I still got that from the Dollar Tree, and this line is actually out in the Dollar Tree. They have like pinks and purples and oranges and reds, so you could check that out. The cuticle oil is from the Dollar Tree. This nail file is not from the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree does have some. I have some in my drawer from the Dollar Tree. I rack up when I go there and I see them because they are really, really good Dollar Tree nail files. My e.l.f. brush is from, if I say it one more time, I'm gonna get mad at myself because that's all I hear myself saying. But anyways, I'm just filing before I put them on just so I can get a nice shape, because it's just easier for me. If you are a beginner, try it out this way. It's a lot easier. It's better. You feel me? But yeah, so I just wanted to come on here and say hi to you guys. Also, I'm just using the baking soda as a dip method. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I'm just doing that so it can gain a little bit of strength so I can keep the nails on for a little bit longer. And you have to make sure you prep your nails, you guys. You need to prep your nails in order for these press-ons to last a long period of time. And what I mean by prep is filing the shine off your nails and then adding the glue, taking off the dust off your nails, you know, things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. I know I'm not talking a lot in this video. I'm sorry if you hear banging, but I'm literally banging a nail polish on the table because I'm from up north and we use our hands to talk. So yeah. What was I saying? I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified each time that I upload. And I'm sorry that I'm getting off of here really early, but yeah, I have stuff to do, and I really want to put a video out here for you guys because it is Press on Thursday, and I've been missing Press on Thursdays for the past couple of weeks, and I don't want to miss it this week. And I know it's a late upload, and I'm really sorry about that, but I'm trying, you guys. I post for you every day, and yeah, it's a little tiring, but I'm inspired. I'm ready. I wasn't feeling so well, like I wasn't feeling so inspired, and so I was feeling a little blah these past couple of days, and I'm still getting out to content for you guys. I'm gonna be strong, and I don't want nothing to bring me down, because when I get down, I just feel like I stop, and I don't want to stop. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. And yeah, God bless you guys. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a nice big thumbs up.